Alright, today I gotta get the frame ready to be sent out to get fixed. I gotta pull all the Zeus springs out of it. So all the Zeus springs and all the tabs on the car have to come out so they can repair it, and then right after that I don't have to pull them out, and then they could go to a powder coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw all these out. Something I wanted to point out too, when the car hit, it actually twisted this Zeus tab. So as far as fixing, I'm just going to take a pair of pliers and straighten it out, because it didn't break it away or nothing like that. It just twisted it because when it hit the ground, it hit a spot. But again, it didn't get the bottom one or nothing like that. But yeah, I'm going to twist that back, get all these straight, clean all these up real good, and then I'm going to knock the bushings out of the rear rack. And then we're going to clean it all up and send it out on its way. Alright, it's gonna do it. Airframe all cleaned up, ready to go to the repair shop and to get the tube fixed. So, not too bad. Could be worse. Looks so small with no one in it, but yeah, we're gonna get it ready and send it out and get her all fixed up, get that tube replaced. Really hard.